The transformations that are not translations, so dilations, reflections, and rotations, are instead of adding matrices, we're going to be multiplying. So when we are transforming a point matrix, we're going to do a multiplication on the left by a transformation matrix T. Okay, in other words, we'll have T times A, and that will give us the transformed point matrix. Now there's a lot of different types of matrices that do these. So here's a chart that represents those transformations. Okay, so here on the left is the explanation of the transformation that's done, and on the right is the transformation matrix that you would use to do that transformation. We're going to talk later about the easy way to figure out what these matrices are, because there's actually kind of a trick to getting them. So I wouldn't worry about memorizing these matrices. We're just going to be able to use them as a reference for now. So here's an example. The triangle with these vertices is rotated 90 degrees clockwise around the origin. Use matrices to find the vertices of the resulting triangle. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take our point matrix, and I'm going to again follow the convention of ordering from smallest to largest x value. And we're going to multiply this on the left. Okay, the transformation matrix goes to the left. We're doing 90 degrees clockwise around the origin. So that's this matrix right here, rotation 90 degrees clockwise around the origin. Here's the matrix. So 0, 1, negative 1, 0. Okay. This is the matrix multiplication that's going to give us the new matrix. Let's go ahead and actually multiply. So we do first column times the first row. Okay, and you'll see that that gives us a 0 plus 0, which is 0. Okay, and first row times second column is 0 plus 4, which is 4. And then first row times third column is 0 plus negative 3 is negative 3. Okay, and then we take the second row times that first column. Negative 1 times negative 3 plus 0, that's just 3. And then second row times second column. Negative 1 plus 0 is negative 1. And then second row times first column is negative 2 plus 0 is negative 2. Okay, this is our new matrix of points. I'm going to go ahead and just sketch what we have so that we can see this in action. So we have our initial points were negative 3, 0, 1, 4, and 2, negative 3. So those are our initial points. And for our new points, okay, we have 0, 3, 4, negative 1, and negative 3, negative 2. Okay, so you'll see what happened here, and I'll go ahead and just pick this. This point went to that point, this point went to that point, and this point went to that point. So that was our 90-degree rotation. Okay, and of course we were thinking of this as a triangle, so I'll go ahead and just draw the triangle so we can see that triangle rotate. So that was our initial triangle, and then we ended up with this new triangle. Okay, and that's hopefully you can kind of see that 90-degree rotation.